YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy, I'm back again. And feeling kind of daring today. I found this. Can anyone guess what this is? In Brazil we call this Pitaya. And it's a form of dragon fruit. I've never, ever seen this. It looks like a, I don't know, it looks like a whole bunch of bananas just poop into each other. So we're gonna cut this bad boy open and take a risk. I've had dragon fruit before. I had the red with the inside that was white. I believe I had the red with the inside red also. Not sure, but got my handy dandy 2023 knife from the future. And this time I'm gonna cut it horizontal. Ooh, this thing is tough. And the juices are jumping. That's a good sign. Wow, look at that. The outside is kind of hard and soft. At the same time, black seeds, white interior. It has a scent, but I've never smelled it before. And guess what? I have my normal guinea pig with me, who's actually working. But you go say hi to folks.
Hi guys.
And guess what? She's never had this, so guess what? She gets to go first. Hey, take a break.
Okay.
Take a break. She's gonna take a break from work and join me with this. And you know I'm not gonna eat this first. Because, yes, I have a spoon. I wanna see her face.
Hi guys. Oh my gosh. Let me see. I think I will enjoy. But who knows?
Can you smell? Does it smell like anything that you smelled before?
Oh yes.
Ah, okay.
It smells like grass.
Like grass? Lettuce?
No, grass. Like when the rains falls on the floor and the grass smells.
Oh, that's
good.
That's not good. I can already tell I'm not gonna like this.
Okay.
I don't eat grass.
Very good.
That's two
really good.
That's two Okay, so the red one that you had before, better or?
The red is the taste is strongest.
Stronger than this one?
Stronger.
But is it better, sweeter, sour?
Sweeter.
Oh, this is sweeter?
This is sweeter.
Ooh. Okay, I might like it.
Ching ching.
Bing. Hold on. Bing. Okay. Now for the real test.
Dun, 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 dun.
Real smooth taste. Seeds aren't too hard. Sweet. You know what? I like this one better than the red one.
The taste is smooth.
Smooth taste? Oh, okay.
Suave.
Suave. So what do you give it on 1 to 10? Tell us first.
10.
Another 10?
Yes, another 10. I love it. This is mine.
That's yours?
Yes. Bye, guys. I have to back to work.
Okay.
Come on, baby.
I'm gonna give this one. a 9.
Oh. Woo-hoo.
Would I go hunt for it in the store? Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
absolutely, I would hunt for this.
Yes.
I would turn this into a juice. I will take the seeds out and see if I can duplicate it. But Brazil, you got a winner on your hands.
Woo-hoo.
It's about time.